So we would draw around the semicircular glass prism with our pencil. We would measure the length, which is 9 centimetres on my one, but you need to measure your own. Then I would mark halfway, which on my one is 4.5 centimetres. Then, using my protractor, lined up to the 90 mark, I would draw on with dashes the normal and label it. Then, my first reading that I'm going to do is 10 degrees. So I line it all up and I mark on 10 degrees and I would just call it 10 degrees. And then I would draw my line from the 10 to the dot like that and do a little arrowhead on it. Yeah. Then put my glass block back, rotate it all around so that it's near to my power pack, plug it in, turn it on, connect up the wires before you turn it on because that's obviously safe. Textbook. Make sure we don't exceed 3 volts because above 3 volts the bulb in here will glow. Make sure we do the cables to the right ones. We're doing the red and the black because it's direct current. We've got our single slit, lowest down, furthest out because that makes the beam of light as narrow as possible. We turn it on, we get our light and then we move our array box until the line follows what I'm expecting, and then over here I just put a little dash, take it all away, and I can connect up the center point with the dash. That's the light coming out. Then using my protractor I can measure the angle, and I get for this one 6 degrees. 10 degrees on the way in, 6 degrees on the way out. My results table, I and R, 10, 6. I draw this all again, completely new setup, and do it again for 10 degrees, and I would do it 3 times, and hopefully get ones that I can then, on a different results table, do an average.
3 or
yeah?
5? 3 times or 5 times?
Up to you. 3 minimum for NYP. If you want to get into the DP mindset, do 5. Again, and then I'll do like 20, 30, minimum for NYP, but actually I think you want to be, to be honest, I think you're better off doing 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 will get you, 90 won't work because 90 would be going along here. Maybe you could do 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. 5 different ones, repeat them 5 times. It's fairly quick once you get going.
But we have to redraw the diagram each and every time?
You could, or well, you could do all of your measurements on one, but you wouldn't be able. I wouldn't repeat the same increment on the same diagram. I think it's going to get hard to read it.
We could do 5 of them and just have like 5.
Yeah, then you just do three or 5 drawings. Yeah.
But each trial on a
I reckon you could get 20, 30 in here and have them coming out, but I wouldn't do repeats on the same one.
Okay, thank you.
And then we have a separate video of what to do with these results on your total task.
Formative.